uke uzwe kuthiwani you need 3 meals a day. Umuntu nje kumele udle kathathu ngosuku ukuze uzoba healthy, ube strong, ube right. Kusemthethweni ukuthi udle kathathu. If ungadli kathathu uyayibulala. Uzwe abantu besho njalo. Yindaba kusho bani? Kusho udokotela, kusho nawo wonke nje abantu be-health kuthiwa nje idla kathathu ku-health. Ngisho ezikolweni sifundisa lowo doti loyo. Umuntu wayengadalelwe ukuthi adle kathathu ngosuku. Okhokho bethu sometimes babedla kanye ngosuku. Kokunye babedla kanye in 3 days. Ngobani? They had to give space for fasting. Fasting ibalulekile kumuntu. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu, angikhulumi ngamanye ama-species, ngikhuluma ngomuntu nje mina umuntu. Right? Fasting ibalulekile kumuntu because inomsebenzi ewenzayo. Yabo, uba ukwazi ukuthi into uyitshela umlungu, the opposite is right. Into nje uyitshelwa isitha, i-wrong, it's not good for you, the opposite is right. Right? Now, fasting ibalulekile kuwe ngoba emzimbeni wakho yenza umsebenzi. Into yokuqala, icleana umzimba wakho. Iphinde iclean ama-worn out cells. Yabo, iphinde iclean ukudla noma ama-fats noma ukudla okuzosala emzimbeni, okuzostoreka emzimbeni. That is the process of cleaning umzimba. Umzimba uyayicleana wona ngale kokuthi udetox. Fasting iyodwa is the healthiest thing you can do emzimbeni wakho. Yabo, it's the healthiest thing you can do emzimbeni wakho ukuthi uphile. Yabona isisu sakho uma ulambile ungadlile, uma uzwa sesikhala sisithi wo sikhala nje kukhona izinto ezikhala esiswini, umzimba usukuyiclean. Umzimba usukudla zonke lezi zinto lezi ezingasili emzimbeni wakho. Njengoba isuke seyikhala, zisuke seyikhaliswa ukuthi seyifuna ukuthi wenze njani, uyinike ukudla. Bese wenze njani? Uthi umzimba ubhizi ucleana bese u-add ukudla phezulu. Uzoletha okunye futhi kulonto ozongcola. You must allow umzimba ukuthi uyiclean. I-breakfast yayingekho. Yabo njengoba kuthiwa break fast, it's because ngaleso sikhathi kumele ngabe ufastile wena. Okhokho bethu they used to feast and fast. Badla kanye bese bayafasta. Lento kuthiwa i-breakfast leyo idle kuseni, bacon and eggs, laba nani, the most important meal of the day. Into engekho yonke leyo. I-breakfast yayingekho, okhokho bethu babe fasta ngaleso sikhathi. That's why babengaguli njalo. That's why babephila isikhathi eside. That's why babe spiritual. Bekwazi ukuthandaza kuNkulunkulu ukuthi bacela imvula ibe khona. Bekwazi ukuthandaza, bakhipha amademoni, benze yonke into because they had a space where be faster. Babephila emoyeni. Phela amandla omuntu omnyama asemoyeni. Namhlanje sidla kathathu ngosuku. Abanye kuloko kudla kathathu in between ba snack, ba add nje sabufela. I-breakfast ivela phi na? Lento ye-breakfast ivela phi? Ake siyichaze. Now, ake sizwe. I-breakfast iyasungulwa ukuze kwenziwe imali ngawe muntu. Phela imali kubantu. Abantu they are the consumers. Yabo, kumele kuphushe into kuyazi ukuthi kumele siphushe lokuba. Ngoba nama-consumers. Right? Kunomuntu okuthiwa u-Edward Bernays. U-Edward Bernays kuthiwa lana, Edward Bernays influenced the American breakfast by creating a public relations campaign for the Beech Nuts Packing Company that promoted bacon and eggs as a hearty breakfast. Inhloso babefuna ukuthi baphusha ama-sales bacon and eggs nayo yonke lento leyo. Yabo, so base bathini breakfast is the healthy meal, is the most important meal of the day. That was a campaign. That was a campaign ukuthi benze imali ngawe muntu, because kuyaziwa ukuthi obani ama-consumers, not ukuthi into ekumele ukuthi ibe khona i-breakfast, into engekho. Thina umzimba wethu udalelwe ukuthi ufiste bese uyafasta. Those two things only, not indaba i-breakfast, yabo. But namhlanje sidla ka-3, bahamba bafaka ne-lunch leyo, yabo. Namhlanje sesidla ka-3, bahamba bathi kumele ukuthi usineke in between, yabo. It's a money making scheme out of you. The goal is to make you hungry. The goal is, ake ngeke ukukhuluma isingisi, the goal inhloso ukuthi ulambe, inhloso ukuthi ube isidudla, inhloso ukuthi ugule. Inhloso yabi lokho nje. Kwenzeka lokho bona benza ini? Izizumbulu zezizumbulu ngeimali. Right? Ake siqhubeke nayo leyo kudla. So that's how we ended up having ama-meals awu 3 lawa sigulisayo namhlanje. Namhlanje sinezifo, sino cancer, sino BP, blood pressure, high blood pressure, sino asthma, sino shukela. It's because of zonke lezi zinto ezidlayo. Okhokho bethu they feasted and fasted, and ukudla babekudla kwakuphuma enhlabathini. Mekuphuma enhlabathini kune-melanin, kunomsoco, kune-energy lo idingayo ukuthi u-recharge umzimba wakhe. That was recharging. To feast was to recharge kubona. They were getting a certain sort of energy from ukudla okuphuma enhlabathini. Namhlanje sidla ukudla okuprocessiwe. Kuthi kusatshalwa lokudla kube kufakwa ama-chemicals, nithi umanyolo, kube kufakwa ama-chemicals. Lawo ma-chemicals aphelele emzimbeni wakho, bese kuba khona izifo sithi hayi zivela kuNkulunkulu. Namhlanje inyama oyidlayo iyajova. Ulamthuthu nje ubona nje ihlezi ikhona inyama yenkukhu ingashoti. Ingobani? Zikhula ngomjovo. Isonto nje sikhulile singake sisibhukabhuka siza kuwena emzimbeni wakho phakathi. Uyidle uze uchabe ithambe, uze umunce umkantsha la ngene khona impela umjovo, uthi wazwa mnandi umkantsha, yabo. Konke kuphelele kwena emzimbeni. Uthi uyambona umuntu usehamba njengenkukhu, njengolamthuthu uhamba kanje, uthi yini? Ukudla esikudlayo. Yonke inyama esidlayo iyajova. Ukudla esikudlayo kuyaprocesswa. Ngisho ama-fruits, ngisho ini, uthi uyabona ukuthi hayi ngeke, hayi engathi sekwenziwe i-profits kuyajaho, yabo. Lama-fruits awasabuke njengama-fruits angempela. Yini? Kuyaprocesswa. Sibone sesigula, engakho kukhona o-cancer, o-BP, o-asthma, nayo yonke inhlobo yezifo ey'vela ngokudla, ngoba phela izifo y'vela ngokudla. Namhlanje okhokho bethu babedlela ukuphila, thina siphilela ukudla. Namhlanje sidla kathathu, naloko kudla kathathu kunama-snacks in between. Siyabufela nje, siyabufela. Athi umuntu mase uthi umzimba umukutshela ukuthi konke wrong oyenzayo, bese uthi wena njengoba nginomkhabi ngoba ngumnumzana, kusho ukuthi ngumnumzana, imama kumele ligcwale. Umzimba uyakutshela konke wrong. Ukudla kudlala iphathi enkulu kumuntu. Akumele siphilele ukudla, kumele sidlele ukuphila. Ibalulekile lo kudla ukuthi siyinake ngoba isinika inkinga. Sinika inkinga engakanje is because of ukudla. Futhi nokudla iba nendlela yokudla. Unike umzimba ispace sokuthi ubuye uzukline wona, ubuye ufast. Sicela ukuthi ibambe la. Siyabonga kakhulu.